Hi my friends, let me show you how to send your app to Testflight so that people that you added can test your app before submitting your app, because there could be some problems that you need to fix before submitting your app to Apple Store. Let me show you step by step. Okay, this is let's just say this is my first app that I created. Every time you add upload an app, you need to upgrade this part. It should be built, should be increased. This is going to be 14, yeah. Okay, what we are going to do is we're going to change this. This is my device, but instead we choose this. And then we go here, product, and then archive. And then that's it. We're waiting a little bit, and then we're going to see another screen, and I'm going to show the rest too. By the way, meanwhile, let me tell you what happened last week, because the uploading process may take a while. Last week my computer was not working at all. It turned off and then it didn't come back ever again till I got it repaired in Sivas. There is a technician licensed by Apple. He's good. He's very, very good. He's great. And he fixed it. I don't know how, but he fixed it. Thank God. I saved a lot of time. That's what matters. Okay, let me tell you the next steps that we're gonna take. Okay, as you can see, I started the archive process on Xcode, and then we're here. This is another phase, or phase side of Xcode. This is our archive, and I'm gonna distribute. If you choose this one, you're gonna send your app to Apple Store, which is not good in my opinion, because you need to test your app first. This is my personal opinion. I don't know if you agree with me or not. Please let me know, because I prefer testing. That would be better. It is preparing. While preparing, let me tell you the rest of the story. I googled and his name popped up, and then I brought my app to this guy, Kubilay Kaplan. He's great, he's good, and then he fixed it in hours, and now it's good to go. I mean, sometimes Apple doesn't fix, but this guy fixed. They replace the parts, but the problem is you may lose your info, folders, everything, data. But this guy, I appreciate his effort. He fixed it properly, and he gave me my computer like I turned off. I mean, I picked up where I left off. Seriously, that was the beauty of that repair man. He's a great technician. Other than that, the last video that I shared with you, I was just trying to create an Android version of my app, but I noticed that there are some missing parts, because after testing my app, I sent my app to Apple Store, but they rejected 3 times. Now I'm fixing those flaws, but before fixing, see, this is the message. Today I received it. This is the message from Apple. I'm focusing on it. See, okay, good. My app was uploaded. Now let me show you the rest, so that you can see what needs to be done. Okay, this is the Apple Store Connect. So I was talking about the rejection. sometimes this happens, you may forget some things. That's why I prefer Testflight, because you can send your app to some specific people if they are good at it. For example, this app is for lawyers, and not lawyers, but it is acting like a lawyer. So this is for citizens, but I have a lawyer, and she's interested in fixing it, and she's helping me a lot. And now I'm gonna show you how to what to do regarding the Testflight. As you can see, this is the last build that I submitted. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one because this was rejected. I'm gonna do this instead. Yeah, I'm gonna send this one for them to test. Okay, it may take a while. All right, processing, it may take a while. What I was saying was, this guy helped me a lot, and other than that, my mind is confused and I have a lot of things to do at the same time. That's a lot of pressure. But I'm trying to fix this problem that I have with Apple, because I have spent months to build this app. I mean, there are some apps that tools that I used. For example, this one. I used this one. I used it. But the thing is, if you don't know how to use this tool wisely, you're gonna spend a lot of money. A lot of money. These tools are, what do you guys say it? Credit consuming tools, in my opinion. That's my personal opinion. And other than that, I use many things. Look at that, anti-gravity. I don't know if you're familiar with that or not, but I use this one too. I use Claude, top notch. I love it. I love it. The Claude is excellent. I use Codex. Oh my God, this is good. This is good. See, I love it. I love it. This is good. And let me see if everything is okay with this one. Oh, still processing. Okay, let me go and find out. Okay. Yeah, I have testers. These are external testers. I think they must have received what I have sent, and then I will receive some feedbacks from them. See, this is complete. Yeah, okay, let's just do that. I'm gonna write this. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a group. Oh, okay. No. Oh, all right, let me do this then. Okay. This is okay. I'm gonna add a group now. Oh, all right. Let me do this then. I'm gonna expire this one because it was rejected. I'm gonna use this. Okay, let me see what's going on in here. All right, these are the builds that I sent for testing. And there are two groups. One of them is external, one of them is internal. Generally, this is your group, developers. This one, internal one. But the external one, there are some real lawyers under this group, and they are testing my app. This is good, and they helped a lot, because I have noticed a lot of flaws that I didn't know, that I was not aware of. So it's an excellent opportunity if you have people who are testing your apps, and then you can submit after testing. Of course, only if they approve your submission. I'm gonna make a video about app submission too. It is quite hard. It is not as easy as it sounds, right? These days, everyone is talking about some tools to build apps easily and submission. I don't know. I mean, maybe it's hard for me. It's not that easy, because maybe Apple guideline is hard to follow. Maybe some websites are easy, but Apple Store apps are hard. That's all I can say for now. If you have questions, please let me know. Write it down so that we can talk, we can interact, we can message each other. I'm gonna share my email, or you can write it down. I will answer for sure. I will answer your questions. Okay, so far so good. You take care, stay safe, stay well, have a great, wonderful life. Bye now.